Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government 5,000 rupees. First, identify the specific government program offering this financial aid. Next, carefully review the eligibility requirements, which typically include income thresholds and residency status. Finally, collect all essential documents such as your identification, proof of address, and recent income statements to prepare for your application. Once you have your documents ready, find the official application portal online or visit a designated government office. Carefully fill out the application form, ensuring all details are accurate and complete. Double-check every section. Then, upload or physically submit all your supporting documents as required by the specific scheme. This step is crucial for a successful submission. After submission, your application enters the verification phase. Government officials will meticulously review all the information and documents you provided. They will cross-reference your details with existing government records to ensure accuracy and authenticity. You will then need to patiently await official notification regarding the approval or rejection of your application. This process can take several weeks. If your application is approved, the 5,000 rupees will typically be disbursed directly into the bank account you provided. It is vital to ensure your bank details are absolutely correct to avoid any delays. In case of a rejection, carefully review the reasons provided and consider if you can reapply with corrected information or explore other available assistance programs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.